Hello everybody who's wanting to know a little bit more about the rainbow puppies. This is a little behind the scenes of how it was made. So the puppies were originally drawn out on pencil and then I scanned them into my laptop. It was on, I think it was just a basic Photoshop that I was able to cut round the outside of them and kind of drop colour on a different layer. Then using the different layers I was able to sort of reduce it down to make it more transparent so my pencil lines could still be seen through. So then this is my next stage. The next stage was to take different coloured pens and to just go along the outsides of these little dogs and sort of enhance some of the lines of like little paws and stuff that my pencil drawings wouldn't have got, because most of my pencil drawings are done really small, so whenever they get blown up you do tend to lose a lot of the quality of them, and then I edit and rub out loads of bits so it's kind of a bit blurry. But once I'm hand embellishing these with both pens and colouring pencils, then the next stage is just to photograph them again and use a program that does slideshow, which pieces all of them together again.